Hi guys, I'm doing another slime challenge and testing some ingredients. We've got a hand wash, brown sugar and borax. First we are going to use this hand wash and it will turn green, and then we're going to use an orange one, what I've got here, and put a little bit in it. And then more green. Okay. And next, we are going to use a lot of brown sugar, or that much of brown sugar. Pour it in there. Okay. It should look like that. Now some borax. Now we can use and mix it. It'll probably turn out like a weird brownie color, but we can always dye it. Now we can, because look how cool that looks, just like yellow. Now we can add a little bit more orange. Okay, a tiny bit more borax. Now it looks like there's all the borax at the bottom. Can you see all here? And then all the top. Now we stir. And then it gets thicker. We add a little bit more borax. Like a lot of borax. It makes it more sticky. And then now we are doing some shampoo. Dip it all in. It'll make it more sticky. And now we mix it. To change the colour, I've got some red food dye. And now we are going to tip a little bit in, 1 to 2 drops. It will start turning red in a few minutes. See? Starting to turn red. And now it's all sticky. And we'll add a little bit more of brown sugar, like a little bit. Just try and get some. And we'll pop some in there. Okay, that's all. And that's the last of the brown sugar we're going to use. And we're going to get that little black bit out. And stir. And it's red and yellow. Yellow's at the bottom, red's at the top. Now we just keep on stirring and it will work out. Okay, once you stir it, you have to stir it for at least 5 minutes. Then you have to put it in the freezer for at least 30 to 40 minutes, or you can always put it in for an hour. And you have to let it sit for 4 hours. And that is all for today. I'll be coming back next time to show more slime videos, and I'll see you next time. See ya!